Yo, what's up guys? It's your boys G&J here today. We thought we'd bring you another part video to the BWT4 rebuild of the whole thing. Complete makeover she's getting. It's been a while since we've updated you on this, and a few people have asked. So we thought we'd start her up today quickly and show you what's going on. To that engine, guys, sounds epic. Yeah. Oh, listen to that. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to show you guys what work's being done on this, and hopefully you can tell from part 1's video any bits and pieces that have been done since then.
Next to your one, isn't it?
Oh yeah, look. There's 2 of them here now, guys. That's right.
Got rid of ours.
Oh, that's my little lady, guys. I know the... Well, this is still freaking epic. Check these wheels out.
It's just this space.
So...
Step away, it's just gone.
Step as well. That's the step. That's what it should be. Cut it away from there.
This needs cutting away. Then this needs cutting away. And the inside needs repairing. I've got a new panel for this piece, but I haven't got a new panel for that piece, so I'll have to try and make that. I don't know if I can get it because it curves round. Good job I got yours to try and make a template off.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You'd probably have to make one then. Yeah.
Just get the wrapper off from the grade and blew off most of it as well. And this down here just blew off.
Yeah.
That's not coming off. Yeah. It was all inside the door.
Oh yeah.
Just blow it all off. All round there, up here. The pillars come off as well. Yeah. So luckily, because then now I can just peel that up and
just get on
line it and sort all the chips out and get on with it. Yeah. All across the top, dude. My compressor flew up, didn't it? The motor packed up.
Yeah. So still. That side's got to be there done. Get in there.
It's a little strip through the middle, it still needs taken off.
That's the bumper there, guys. That's been primered. Look at that.
Yeah, that was a mess. That was absolute mess. Probably spent. There was like 3 coats of paint on that bumper, and it probably took me near on old pack of sanding discs to get through it.
Wow. Look at that, guys. It looks brand new.
Looks pretty good. Yeah, there are still some marks in it, which that's what the primer's for.
Still,
give it a rub back, give it a 1500, maybe an 800 wet and dry back all over, and then another coat of primer, and I'll be happy with it then.
Yeah,
it should be mint, but it looks pretty good. It's a nice finish as well. It's settled well. It's not bobbly. listen to it. It's quite smooth. It's not bobbly as hell. So yeah, it's pretty good. So there's a bit of roughness there. Like on the high points of the edges, you get because it's plastic, it furs up.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a few edges like that needs. If you try and prime that, it just ends up running down here. So you've got to build it up.
Build it up over. Yeah, that's right.
It takes time. You're not going to try to jam it on in one go.
That's still pretty solid there, guys.
It's solid. Well, that's why I cut it out. It's the only way to stop rust. Just cut it all out and start again. You can't leave it in there and weld over it.
And
this was a big, massive ding.
This one, guys, this has been done since the last video.
I pulled all that out, ground it down, pulled it out, and that is probably the second to last one. There was just a couple of little bits I wasn't quite happy with, so I jammed another load over it, and there's going to be some air holes in that now, so I need to do another one. I should get the shape of that about right.
If you look back to the last video, you'll see how bad it was.
Yeah, it was stuffed in, the edge had pulled in where it's clipped here. I can't remember how bad it was, to be honest. I don't think we got this bit of damage in the first time. We've had to do a bit more filler, and I've had to put a strip in the bottom there because I didn't realise as I was blocking it down there was another dent there. And then all this was all rusting, so I've had to sand all that back. And this needs sanding back as well because that's all rusted around the badge holes.
Yeah. It's definitely a marked improvement because you have to use the dent puller on this piece, isn't it?
Yeah, I had to spend ages on that. I'll open it up. All the inside was damaged as well. All the inside edge was all smashed to pieces. I've managed to sort one side out because all this was basically pinched up to a big high point. Yeah, so I've managed to do the first sort of stage. It is a little bit crumpled in there, but there's only so much I can do with it. We'll see what comes. But yeah, I mean that was horrendous. It was touching the inside of the bumper. Got the grille there as well. It's primed. Can't really get it out because the bumper's on it. Oh yeah, see what's the paint.
One sec, we've got paint suppliers here. One sec, guys. Right, guys, we're back getting our paint deliveries. So yeah, that was the grill and stuff there. Nice undercoat job there for you.
That's all done.
That's that. So now we're here. Peeling lacquer.
Got the shiny bits in it.
It's actually in the left.
Yeah, you can see the bits in it. That's why when it comes off it's just jet black. Just been blowing it off with an airline. It's hard to pick off because it goes under your nail. It ruins your nail.
Tiresome, strenuous job that is.
Whoever's painted it, they've based it all in a booth and they've let the base go off too hard, so the lacquer hasn't adhered to the base. Left it way too long. They've like done a full bake with all the base. You end up with that lacquer through. Friggin' horrendous, but
this is the side then, guys, and that's it really.
Couple of little acne spots or low spots and things that we're having to do. Getting new ones as well. That's me.
But this side's pretty clean, lads, in all fairness.
All the acne come off the side by the look. Too black, it just blew off cleanly. Tackling all this rust. Most of it's superficial, it's not too bad, but some of it where it's really rusty could be into it.
Beautiful. Listen to that, guys. We didn't get it before. There's a bit of the interior. Still clean, really nice.
It's been running all that time. Look at the temperature. Ain't even really come off the base 3 knobs yet.
In all fairness, it looks the same as mine, but newer. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It just looks newer for some reason.
It's like the updated version.
Nice.
No choke there, G.
I've got no choke, I got a choke, guys. But I don't mind.
The 19800 short wheelbase special.
That's right. Oh, yeah, a little bit of work there, guys, as well. Yeah, bit by bit. It's coming, guys.
It's getting there slowly. I've got to speed up a bit. Hard to.
You can see, guys, the van was actually yellow.
Yeah, it was a AA van. This was
Something
yeah, yours is blue, yours is a British gas one.
Yeah. Yeah. The only lucky thing with this van, he's got the pop top, and that's invaluable, that is, guys. People would take your right arm and leg off for one of them. Believe me, and it's all done properly.
Yeah, definitely.
Proper roof, so
I'm gonna move it back, move the beam out a little bit out today, let it air out.
okay. Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah, get some air through it, and it's been stuck in the garage for some time now. Even a little flip down TV, guys, it's got in there.
It's been raining for a few days, so
yeah, no, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is so much nicer than my one. My little bus, guys. Check her out. So much nicer in one way, but I think mine's nicer in another way. Sprayed this over as well, just to give it a clean coat of 2K. But I'll do a review on this one day, guys. I won't spoil what's in the back. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so happy days. Alright then, guys, that's part 2 of the T4 rebuild. And as we do more work and more bits done, we'll definitely be updating you with more of the work that's getting done on this. You notice that you had good support for this video on the part 1, so hopefully here's an update for you before that. But she still drives, she still moves. Needs body work doing and welding, and she'll be back on the road. So yeah, guys, make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and you and Jerry will be back pretty soon to update you with this. So cheers, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.